Hi there, I'm Jonas and welcome to ILEO. So let's get your bullet ready for its first mission. A few parts need a little assembly, but it's designed to be super intuitive, so don't worry about it. Let's get started. So first off, you need to assemble the control housing onto the bullet. And there's a little latch here that's gonna catch this bracket. So you start by holding it at an angle, pushing it up slightly, and then the magnets will do the rest. And you're gonna hear this rewarding click when it's locked. Next up, there's a screw at the top, which needs to be tightened to keep it in place. Use the 2mm screwdriver to tighten it at the top. Now it's secured. Next, assemble the trier with the set screw between the wooden handle and the trier spoon. Insert the trier into the bullet, and when you're roasting, you want the spoon part to be facing downwards. And when you take a sample, you just turn it slightly upwards, and then you pull it out to make a sample. Super easy, like that. For the door handle, insert the screw into the handle, then insert the spacer and screw the handle onto the door. For the Pro model, there's an additional metal spacer that goes in between. This is to add more weight to the door because the capacity is a little bit higher. So now for the cooling. Whether you have the classic cooling tray or you have the Pro cooling tray, it's all about getting those beans cooled down as quickly as possible. So the reason why the Pro model comes with 2 cooling trays is because the Pro cooling tray works extremely well with larger batches, but not so well with smaller batches below 500 grams. For the standard cooling tray, all you have to do is remove the metal tray, insert the white filter in front of the fan, and put it back together. You're now ready to go. So if you're using the Pro cooling tray, first you have to assemble the stir blades onto the base. And we'll do that by using the 4 provided screws. It's very, very simple. So there's a trick to assembling the stir blades onto the base, and that is put everything on a flat surface before you tighten the screws. This will make the whole assembly completely flat and works better in your Pro cooling tray. So the Pro cooling tray comes with this larger filter that snaps directly onto the cooler. To allow for a higher clearance between the Pro cooling tray and the roaster, you need to add these 4 feet under the legs of the machine. Last but not least, don't forget to plug in the Pro cooling tray or the standard cooling tray into the top port of the left side of the roaster. Simply plug in the connector where it fits with the 3 pins and turn the small screw. It is now secured. So the stir on the Pro cooling tray will automatically start once you go into cooling mode on the machine. You can always override it by pressing the button here on the left if you want to. Just note that you should never turn the stir blades by hand, as it's going to damage the gears. Before you can start roasting, you need to check the drum alignment. The drum can move back and forward by a few millimeters, and there is a spring at the back pushing it forward. However, during shipment, it can sometimes get stuck in the back position. So what you have to do is open the door and grab one of the vanes and then pull it forward. You can also test if it works by pushing on the bearing here. It should spring back once you push it to the back position. Then you know that the drum is in the right position and you can, safely start roasting some great coffee. The last step before roasting is to place the bean chute plug onto the bean chute, and now you're ready to roast. So thank you guys for watching. We are super excited to have you in our community. We want to help you. We want you to fulfill your coffee dream. And if there's anything to do, please don't forget to reach out and share your story. We can't wait to see where this journey is going to bring you, and we hope to see you roasting everywhere.